Welcome to my video and my YouTube page. Today I have gone to take the picture of the 4 Buddha statues on the 3rd level at Angkor Wat temple. The 3rd level is given a name Bakan, which means heaven. Let us go up to visit the spectacular view from the top and the 4 Buddha statues in each chamber and corner with me. This is the 3rd level gallery at Angkor Wat temple that places the 4 Buddha statues inside of each chamber. The central tower opens to the cardinal point, and each 4 chamber probably install the Vishnu statue, the supreme of the temple. But in a later time, when Angkor Wat temple became a Buddhist center, the 4 chambers installed the 4 Buddha statues instead. This is the northern chamber that installed 4 Buddha statues, standing Buddha statues and reclining Buddha statues. These 2 statues installed in 16th century in the reign of King Angkor Wat I. This picture is from the 3rd level to the 2nd gallery and the 1st gallery with no entrance of Angkor Wat temple. This is the west chamber at the central of Angkor Wat temple that installed 2 Buddha statues, sitting meditation Buddha statues and standing Buddha statues. This picture is from the 3rd level to the 2nd gallery and to the 1st gallery with west entrance of Angkor Wat temple. This is the sound chamber at central tower of Angkor Wat temple that install the standing Buddha statue and the many small Buddha statues inside of the room, but the head of the Buddha statue were stolen 4 years ago. This picture is from the third level to the second gallery, and the first gallery with the south entrance of Angkor Wat temple. This is the east entrance at central tower of Angkor Wat temple that install standing Buddha statues and many small Buddha statues of meditation. This picture is from the third level to the second gallery and the first gallery with east entrance of Angkor Wat temple. Thank you for watching our video. Come visit an adventure of the beautiful kingdom of Cambodia and the Angkor Wat temple. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.